Are your legs feeling weaker with each passing year? Do you wake up feeling tired, even after a full night's sleep? You're not alone. Many seniors struggle with low energy, aching legs, or just not feeling like themselves. But what if the solution was as simple as a cup of tea? Yes, the right kind of tea, natural, delicious, and backed by science, could help strengthen your legs, reduce inflammation, and reignite that youthful energy you miss. Let's uncover the 5 powerful teas that could change the way you move and feel, starting today. Welcome to GoldenHealthNow, your trusted guide for staying strong, active, and happy after 60. Today's topic is one of my personal favorites, because it's so simple, yet so powerful. We're talking about tea, but not just any tea. We're diving deep into the 3 best teas every senior should be drinking daily to strengthen their legs, improve circulation, reduce joint pain, and boost energy naturally. You'll learn which teas are backed by real medical studies, how these teas support bone and muscle health, the right way to brew and when to drink for maximum results, and which common teas might be making things worse. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which cup to sip for stronger legs and a healthier you. Let's get started with tea number 1, and trust me, you've probably heard of it. But not like this. Tea number 1, green tea, the muscle and metabolism reviver. Have you ever wondered why people in Japan or China stay so active well into their 70s and 80s? One of their not-so-secret secrets is green tea. But it's not just about culture, it's about science. Let's talk about why green tea should be the first tea you add to your daily routine if you're over 60, especially if you want stronger legs, more energy, and less fatigue. What's inside green tea that makes it so powerful? Green tea is packed with a compound called EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, one of the most potent natural antioxidants on Earth. Studies show that EGCG can reduce inflammation in muscles and joints, boost metabolism, helping you burn fat more efficiently, protect muscles from damage, especially after mild exercise, improve blood flow, which means better circulation in your legs. And if you struggle with stiffness when you get out of bed or swelling in your lower legs, you'll be happy to know that green tea supports healthy veins and capillaries too. Did you know? One study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who drank green tea daily had better leg strength and faster walking speed compared to non-tea drinkers. That's how it helps seniors specifically. As we age, our muscles naturally shrink. This process is called sarcopenia. And green tea may slow that process down by stimulating muscle cell growth, reducing oxidative stress that breaks down muscle tissue, increasing your mitochondrial health, your cell's energy powerhouse. That's right, this tea doesn't just wake you up. It literally energizes you on a cellular level. When and how to drink green tea for maximum benefits. Here's the best way to get the most out of green tea. Time: drink 1 cup after breakfast and 1 cup mid-afternoon. Avoid drinking it late at night, it does contain caffeine. Add a squeeze of lemon, it boosts antioxidant absorption. Tip: go for organic loose leaf or matcha green tea for best results. And remember, don't add milk. It can bind with antioxidants and block their effect. If you're on blood thinners, always talk to your doctor first. Green tea can interact with certain medications. Now, if you think green tea is powerful, wait till you hear about the second tea on this list, a spicy, warming drink that seniors are calling liquid relief for sore legs and joints. Are you ready for that one? Tea number 2, ginger tea, nature's pain-relieving powerhouse. Do your legs ache at the end of the day? Do you feel stiff getting up from a chair or climbing stairs? Then ginger tea might just be your new best friend. This ancient root, used in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine for thousands of years, isn't just a spice, it's a healing powerhouse. And when brewed into a tea, it becomes one of the most effective natural remedies for arthritis pain, sore muscles, and sluggish blood flow. Hot pepper. What makes ginger tea so healing? The key compound in ginger is gingerol, a strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Research shows that gingerol helps block inflammatory pathways in the body, like NSAIDs, but without side effects. Reduce pain and stiffness in the knees and legs. Relax blood vessels, improving circulation to the lower limbs. Warm up the body, especially for people with cold hands and feet. Ginger also acts as a natural muscle relaxant, which can be a game changer if you suffer from leg cramps or restless legs at night. A study published in the Journal of Pain found that daily ginger reduced muscle pain by up to 25% after just 11 days. Flex biceps, how it helps seniors specifically. As we age, inflammation builds up in joints, especially the knees, hips, and ankles. This leads to stiffness, reduced range of motion, and a loss of confidence in walking. Ginger tea helps by decreasing inflammation around joints and tendons, improving mobility for people with osteoarthritis, promoting digestion, which can boost nutrient absorption, vital for muscle recovery. And unlike pills, ginger tea is gentle on your stomach and easy to make part of your daily routine. When and how to drink ginger tea. To make your own healing ginger tea, slice 1 inch of fresh ginger root. Boil in 1 to 2 cups of water for 5 to 10 minutes. Add honey or lemon if desired, great for taste and added benefits. Drink 1 to 2 times daily, especially before or after meals. Pro tip: add a pinch of turmeric to supercharge its anti-inflammatory effect. Avoid if you're on blood thinners without medical advice, as ginger can thin the blood slightly. We've talked about metabolism, we've talked about pain relief. But what if I told you there's a tea that could help build stronger bones, something critical for seniors who want to stay active and avoid falls? Coming up next, a sweet, nut-flavored tea that works like magic on bone strength, fatigue, and nighttime relaxation. Ready for tea number 3? Tea number 3, Rooibos Tea, the bone-strengthening, energy-boosting tea seniors need. Are you worried about bone loss as you age? Do you feel tired even after a full night's sleep? Then it's time you discovered the hidden power of Rooibos tea, pronounced Rooibos. This naturally sweet, caffeine-free tea from South Africa is often overlooked. But for seniors, it's a goldmine of nutrients that support stronger bones, fight fatigue, and even protect your heart and brain. Rooibos tea for bone strength and joint support. Unlike regular teas, Rooibos is rich in minerals essential for bone density, such as calcium, magnesium, manganese, fluoride. These minerals work together to strengthen brittle bones, slow down bone loss, reduce risk of fractures, support healthy teeth and joints. In fact, studies show Rooibos can stimulate bone-producing cells, which is critical for seniors facing conditions like osteoporosis or arthritis. Boosts energy without caffeine. Unlike green or black tea, Rooibos is naturally caffeine-free, which means no jitters, no acid reflux, no sleep disturbance. But don't mistake that for weakness. Rooibos helps balance cortisol, your stress hormone, and contains powerful antioxidants like aspalathin, which improves your metabolism, enhances glucose control, boosts adrenal health, helping your body feel less tired but wired. That's why so many seniors report feeling more awake and focused when drinking Rooibos regularly, without the crash. Bonus, good for your heart, skin and mind. Rooibos also helps lower blood pressure naturally, improve cholesterol levels, raising good HDL, fight free radicals that cause wrinkles and age spots, protect brain cells from age-related decline. It's truly an all-in-one tea for healthy aging. How to prepare Rooibos tea. You can buy Rooibos in tea bags or loose-leaf form. To make it, add 1 heaping teaspoon of Rooibos to 1 cup of boiling water. Let steep for at least 5 minutes, the longer, the stronger. Add lemon, honey, or cinnamon if desired. Drink 1 to 2 cups daily, especially in the evening or mid-morning. Optional tip: brew it cold for a refreshing iced tea in hot weather. Tea number 4, Turmeric Tea, the ancient detox and pain relief powerhouse. Ever heard of the golden spice that heals from within? That's turmeric, and when brewed into tea, it becomes one of the most powerful natural remedies for seniors struggling with joint pain, inflammation, and fatigue. Let's uncover why turmeric tea should be a daily habit if you want stronger legs, reduce swelling, and more energy. Its potent anti-inflammatory effects. Turmeric contains a magical compound called curcumin, known for its ability to block inflammation at a cellular level, reduce joint stiffness and muscle soreness, relieve symptoms of osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Book's research shows that curcumin is as effective as ibuprofen in relieving joint pain without the side effects. Imagine sipping a warm, golden cup of relief every morning. Detoxes the liver and boosts blood health. Your liver plays a big role in cleaning your blood and reducing toxins that cause inflammation and fatigue. Turmeric supports liver function by stimulating bile flow for better digestion, clearing out toxins that slow down circulation, supporting red blood cell production for more energy. With improved detoxification, your legs feel lighter, less swollen, and more energized. Supports brain and nerve regeneration. As we age, brain fog and nerve issues become more common. Turmeric can increase BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, for sharper memory. Protect nerves from oxidative stress. Improve communication between brain and body, especially important for balance and leg coordination. How to make turmeric tea. Option 1. With fresh turmeric. Grate a 1-inch piece of turmeric root. Boil in 2 cups of water for 10 minutes. Add a pinch of black pepper, boosts curcumin absorption by 2000%. Optional, add honey or lemon. Option 2, with turmeric powder. Mix half a teaspoon turmeric powder in hot water. Add black pepper and a touch of coconut oil or milk. Drink once daily, preferably in the morning or before bed. Turmeric can thin the blood. Check with your doctor if you're on blood-thinning medications. Tea number 5, Dandelion Root Tea, nature's bloat buster and leg strengthener. Yes, that yellow weed in your yard is actually a miracle detox tea, especially for seniors dealing with swollen legs, tired muscles, or excess weight. Let's explore the incredible health benefits of Dandelion Root Tea and how it can help you feel lighter, stronger, and more active. Droplet powerful natural diuretic, reduces swelling. If your legs feel heavy, puffy, or swollen, your body may be holding onto excess water. Dandelion root is a gentle diuretic that helps flush out extra fluid through urine. Reduces water retention in your ankles and legs. Supports lymphatic drainage, which is key for joint health. Bonus, unlike synthetic diuretics, dandelion retains potassium, so you don't lose essential electrolytes. No more tight shoes or puffy feet, just relief and mobility. Strengthens leg muscles through liver detox. A congested liver slows down energy production and causes toxins to build up in the bloodstream. Dandelion supports liver function by boosting bile production to break down fats, removing toxins that cause joint stiffness and fatigue, enhancing metabolism for better muscle energy. A clean liver equals more stamina, better balance, and stronger legs. Herb full of vitamins and minerals seniors need. Dandelion root is rich in vitamin A, good for vision and cell repair. Vitamin C, reduces inflammation. Iron and calcium, for strong bones and better blood flow. Potassium, essential for heart and muscle function. It's not just a tea, it's a nutrient-packed powerhouse for your whole body. Handle how to brew dandelion tea. You can use dried dandelion root or a tea bag. Simple recipe. Add 1 teaspoon dried dandelion root to 2 cups boiling water. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and sip 1 to 2 cups per day. Optional. Add lemon for flavor. Cinnamon for blood sugar balance. If you're allergic to ragweed or taking diuretics, consult your doctor first. Final thoughts, small sips, big change. So, there you have it. 5 powerful teas, each one packed with healing properties, natural strength boosters, and energy-enhancing nutrients specially suited for seniors over 50 or 60. You don't need expensive supplements or painful workouts to feel better. Sometimes, a warm cup of tea is all it takes to start turning your health around. Just imagine waking up with less joint pain, feeling lighter and more mobile, walking farther with stronger legs, having the energy to enjoy your day, your family, your life. And it can begin with one soothing cup at a time. Now it's your turn. White right pointing back hand index. Which of these 5 teas will you try first? Let us know in the comments. We love hearing from our amazing senior community. And if you found this video helpful, thumbs up sign, give it a like. Bell, subscribe to Golden Health Now for more science-backed senior health tips. Outbox Tray, share this video with a friend or loved one who could use more energy and stronger legs. Seedling, your legs carry the weight of your life, your stories, your strength, your steps forward. So treat them with care. Nourish them with nature. And never forget, it's never too late to feel strong, energized, and truly alive again. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care of your body and your beautiful journey.